Tick-tock, the morning's here. Clockwork Town is full of cheer. Doors go pop, the gears go spin. Let the tick-tock fun begin. Mia wins, the tower bell ding-dong sounds. Across the dell, Jay taps time with marching shoes. Stepping to the tick-tock blues. Streetlights blink in perfect beat. Robots dance with clunky feet. Windows wiggle, shutters shake. Clocks all giggle when they wake. Down the path and through the square, giant gears turn in the air. Every turn, a sound so sweet makes the town move on its feet. Jay and Mia start to glide, riding gears like carnival rides. Time flows slow, then whirls around. That's the magic of Clockwork Town. And in line, like, share, and subscribe to Baby Station.